Okay, so another experiment, another variety of a serial dilution. Now look what the question is saying. You are required to investigate the effect of lead nitrate on the activity of the enzyme amylase. You are provided with a 1% solution of lead nitrate, right? And so this means that the maximum concentration that has been given to you is 1%, right? And then I'm not going to go into the details of all. Let me just move on to the next part of the question. Let's see what the examiner wants from you. Now, again, the examiner is saying you are now going to add a range of different concentrations of lead nitrate solutions that you will prepare yourself to samples of starch and test for the activity of the enzyme amylase, right? You will need to read through the instructions carefully. Prepare the space below so that it is ready for you to record the readings. Decide how many different concentrations of lead nitrate solutions you will need and prepare them by serial dilution. Again, the examiner is asking you to make the 4 or 5 concentrations by serial dilution, but this is an example of another kind. Here, the examiner is not giving you any guidelines as to how you will do it, but again, now you will use your common sense, okay? And you are going to prepare the serial dilutions. So now, what do? 1% is the maximum strength that is given to you, okay? How can you reduce 1% further? You can reduce it to 0.5%, 0.25%, 0.125%, and 0.065%. See how I have done. To get 0.5%, I take 5 ml of distilled water and 5 ml of 1% lead nitrate. So that will give me half the concentration of 1%. Now to further dilute 0.5%, I take 5 ml of 0.5% and 5 ml of distilled water. And to further dilute 0.25% into 0.125%, I take 5 ml of 0.25% plus 5 ml of distilled water, and so on. So again, what is the common thing between this serial dilution and the serial dilution that I had discussed before is that in both the cases, we are using the principal stock solution only once, right? This is what serial dilution is about. So doing all this, we finally see that we make the table like this, and we have got how many? 1% was given to us, lead nitrate. We've made 0.5%, 0.25%, 0.125%, and 0.0625% by serial dilution, right? We use the original stock solution only once. That's about it. Now, if you want to see how simple dilutions are made, then you should go and check the YouTube videos that I've shared with you. The link I've already shared on the group.